Investors, you're welcome to Palm Fortune City in Ado-Ota in Ogun State. Palm Fortune City is a big mega city that contains the following zone. We have the commercial zone, we have the residential zone, we have the agro boulevard, we have the oil palm plantation zone, we have the animal husbandry zone, we have the greenhouse zone, we have the agro boulevard, and we have the resort homes. Now, this is a mega mighty smart city that would have also a mechanized place where you can be doing industrial, commercial, residential, agriculture, and all that. Now, this property is big, is massive. I know what you're seeing right now is land, but today we're going to concentrate on the oil palm. Yes, that's what I want to talk about to you about the oil palm plantation of Palm Fortune City. Now, this is one place in Ogun State where you can get land at the most affordable rate. Fertile land for farming purpose only. Yes, fertile land that you can use for farming. And what are we doing? We are doing only oil palm plantation. Now, the good thing about this estate is that you just buy a farmland from us and we help you plant oil palms on it and help you sell it when the time comes. When it matures, we process, we sell, and give you the produce. Now, the land becomes 100% yours. It's still 100% yours, but we'll be helping you farm oil palm, export it, sell it, and give you the proceed. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because this land is actually good for anybody in the diaspora that wants to own large farmlands, have oil plantation done on it, and sell without having to be part of the everyday process of maintaining the land, getting farmers, watching workers, sourcing for a market, and all that. Here, we sell you a land and it is the most affordable you can see in the market right now, going for as little as 750,000 naira per plot. Yes, 750,000 naira per plot, and we will get you this land. Yes, so we buy the land for 750 per plot. It becomes 100% yours. We plant oil palms on it. They grow mature. We help you harvest it. Now you have the option of allowing us help you maintain your land and the farm produce and the oil produce as well. Or you can do it yourself, whichever one you want. But we're saying that if you're that person who wants to sit at the comfort of your own and own acres of land that is fully functioning and producing farm produce for Nigerians, for diasporans, without having to do much work, this is one farm property you should key into. I kid you not, a lot of people have been buying into this place. There have been a lot of testimonies from clients who have bought into this land, who have seen produce that has come out well. We also have a process that we introduce that is called intercropping. Intercropping is a process whereby we interplant other, crops into the places where we plant the palm fruits. So this is how it works. You all know that it takes palm fruit a period of 3 years to mature and bear fruits. So in the process of waiting for that 3 years, we intercrop with other products or other crops like yam, cassava, pepper, and the likes in that same space and harvest within a year. That way, while you are still waiting for the palm fruits to mature and start bearing fruit within 3 years, you can still be planting other crops and be making money from it, because we also have the option of helping you interplant with other crops and selling those crops on your behalf and giving you a profit from it. So this is a win-win situation for you. You buy the land, buy it, and we plant the oil palm trees on it. At the same time, intercrop with other annual crops like cassava or yam or pepper or melon or others like that, and then still give you the produce from it. Now, there is no other farm estate that gives you these services. That is why I say you should key into this. Okay? Now, with just as little as 750,000 naira, like I said, you can buy a plot here. You can buy as many as acres, hectares, any amount you want. The land has a title registered survey plus other documents. So if you're one who is interested in buying from Palm Fortune Estate, All you need to do is call on the number you are seeing on your screen right now, and we will take you here. Now remember, you can key into our farmland and oil palm farmland, our commercial spots, residential spots, agro boulevard, all the likes. All you need to do, like I said, is call the number you're seeing in this video, and I will bring you here. We have amazing things to offer to you in Palm Fortune Estate. So see you then. I will be expecting your call. It's your girl Rota Morin signing out.